All right, so they want us to calculate this integral just using geometry, understanding that this integral basically means what's the area under the curve of this between -2 and +2. That's what that means. So we have to find out, well, what is this thing here? And hopefully you recognize right away that it's if you pulled this thing out, the square root of 4 minus x squared, if I said y equals that, if I squared both sides, I would get y squared equals 4 minus x squared, which looks a lot like a what? X squared plus y squared equals 4.
Yes.
Which is a what?
Semicircle.
That's a circle. That would be a circle from exactly centered at 0, 0 with a radius of 2. So what happens when I put just a square root here? It means it's not a circle, it's a semicircle, and it's going from where to where? Yep, it's going from -2 to +2. Good thing that they said that, right? Because we know the radius is 4 of the semicircle, so that's what it would have been. That's what it would have been. However, we've got this little +3 here. What does the +3 do?
Move up 3 units.
Yeah, it moves that entire semicircle up 3. So instead of that being the semicircle, it's going to start, let's see, let's say this is 1, 2, 3. It's going to start at 3 instead.
Oh yeah,
and it's going to be this semicircle up here now. And it's going to go up to 5, because that's 2, right? Oh, that's wrong. I lied. It shouldn't go up to 5. It should go up to what? The radius is, what did I say the radius was?
Oh Lord, yeah, that's like 2.
2. Oh yeah, the radius is 2. No, I did that right. It goes up to 5. Yeah, the radius is 2.
First time till like 7 or 8.
So there's your circle, but it's really this whole thing
My dad has to take us out to dinner.
that I have to find the area of. So it's not only is it a circle, semicircle rather, but it's also the rectangle here.
So that's just a 3 or a 4 times 3. 4 times
Yeah,
3
so this is just 4. This distance is 4, and this distance here is 3. So that's 12. So the area of this is 12. 12 square units. And the area of a semicircle with radius 2. What's the area of a radius 2 semicircle? Pi r squared, so 4 pi divided by 2 because there's only half of it, so 2 pi. So the answer is 2 pi plus 12, exactly. So this is 2 pi here, this is 12 here. So your answer is 2 pi plus 12. That's your answer.
Oh my God.